Hey guys, welcome to my second Schoology tutorial. For today's lesson, we're going to be discussing the main important aspects of Schoology. Like, for example, how to create a text post, how to create updates, how to create courses, change your profile, and invite students to any courses you have. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to want to do is log in. Login button is on the top right hand corner next to the sign up button, and you should recall that sign up button from the previous tutorial. And if you haven't watched it already, go ahead, look in the description box and find yourself a link toward that tutorial there, which is basically how to sign up. So click on the login button, enter in your email and your password, and click login or hit enter. Clicking enter or clicking login will direct you to the homepage of Schoology. So the first thing you're going to notice is this black bar up here. This Schoology logo here is also a home button. So you have two home buttons to access to if you want to get to the home button. So you have the Schoology button and this home button itself. The search button here allows you to search anything Schoology related that you have posted or any specific student, for example. Next to it, we have courses. I'll be discussing how to create a course soon. You have groups, resources. This button over here allows you to see messages you have received and also allows you to create new messages straight from there. To create a new message, you simply click new message on the bottom left-hand corner of this bubble here. Clicking new message will pop up another bubble or sub window, I guess you could call it, and create a message. Simply type the name of someone in your network as it says there. So, for example, Joshua, that's me. Subject, let's say math, and I've accidentally sent it. Sorry. So there. Let's start that again. So Joshua. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Joshua. There. Subject. You can fill in any subject you want. So let's say math 10, and message, just say any message you would like. And you can also attach files, links, or resources, and simply click send and it will send. See, since I sent it to myself, I have received a message. Clicking on that, it will look like that. It will look like a red little dot with a number on it, which the number will represent how many messages you have received and haven't viewed yet. So let's go ahead and view that. Click on it. Click on that math, and it will direct you here. And if I wrote a description, it would have shown my description. You can also reply by typing in another message. Also have the option of file of attaching a file, link, or resources, and simply click send when you're done. You can delete messages by simply clicking delete. Are you sure you want to delete this thread? And if you are, then delete. So this button right here, your requests, will show any requests you receive from students who are willing to join your course. And yeah, next to it we have the notification bar. The notification bubble will show you any notifications you receive. For example, any comments people have created on a post, any likes, and whatnot. This button here will direct you to your profile. This is what your whole profile looks like. Over here, this little arrow pointing down is where you can select your school if you haven't already. Just view your notifications, change your account settings, change your privacy settings, go to the help center, which you guys can always do that if you guys don't know what to do or what something is. And see your recycle bin and also log out. Let's head back to the home page. On the home page here, we have two sidebars, one on the right side, one on the left side. On the left side, we have tabs of recent activity calendars, messages, people, subscriptions, app centers. So automatically it will be directed to your recent activity tab, which you will be able to see any posts students or you yourself have made. So let's get to let's get back to recent activity. To create a post, you simply press update. Fill these in, write an update, say hello, and post to any courses you have created. Now to create a course, you simply click courses. On the bottom left hand corner, it will say create right here. Click it and fill all this in with whatever course you would like. So course name, let's say math, section 1, subject area, mathematics, and grade level. Let's cancel that. I already created some courses here, so I can post to the math or the English or even the science. You can fill in, create as many courses as you want. Once you have completed your update, you can choose to update a file, link, a resource, or a poll. Finally, you click post when you are finished. If you'd like to discard this post, you simply click the X on the top right hand corner here. You can also do the same with assignments, fill all this in, and events. You can also do this in the calendar tab. So this is what the calendar tab will look like. You can change it from a month view to a week view to a day view, whatever you like. So let's say I want to create a deadline for something. You choose the date for something. So let's say Friday the 24th. You can either schedule an event, for example, a school trip, or even an assignment. So you would simply name the assignment here, provide a brief description, see your max points. You could also, these are optional on the bottom here, disable or enable comments, enable grade statistics, disable submissions, and allow it to be visible to students if you like. You could also, once again, post to specific sections. Once you have done that, it will open up another subsection here where you will be able to show the due date of it. Category, these aren't really important here. And once that has been done, you click create. I simply click cancel because I'm not making one right now. So let's head to the messages tab. Messages tab is basically an expanded version of this button here, which is only a small constricted area. The message tab here is much bigger and will allow you to see all your inboxes and also your sent messages, and also create a new message. Underneath the message tab, we have the people tab. The people tab will allow you to view your students that have registered in any courses you have set up. Subscriptions, that isn't really important. You can see App Center to view any other apps that are similar to Schoology in the fact that it helps create a better learning environment for yourself and your students. Now underneath, if you have just newly created an account, it will ask you to verify your account, select your school, and also invite colleagues. You can invite your colleagues via email, a tweet, or a message on Facebook, or even just simply share a link with them. Now verifying your account, you will have to do that through the email we have sent you right after you have signed up with them. So to verify your account again, you can also provide a mobile number, and it will simply text you and will give you a code. And once you have clicked send code, it will open up another bubble where you fill in the code they have texted you, and that will know that they have been verified. Also, if you're planning on teaching students under the age of 13, let's say in elementary school, you will have to submit proof of identification. And you can do so by clicking this link here. Let's head back. Let's head back to our recent activity tab and discuss the right sidebar. So on the right sidebar, we have upcoming here, which will show any upcoming events or assignments you have made a deadline on over here from the calendar. So it provides easy access to it. Suggested groups here are just some groups that they suggest you can join, but you don't have to if you want to. It's optional, completely optional for you. So now let's learn how to create a course. Let's learn how to invite students onto a course. So let's say you would like to invite your students to your math course. you simply click on the Members tab, and it will provide with you an access code on the right-hand side corner and highlighted in, I don't know, it looks weird to me, green. And so this code here, the code is 2XJ68-7GMCH. You will be given the responsibility to give that to your students, otherwise you won't be able to sign up, because students will only be able to sign up for Schoology if they have an access code, and that access code is for specifically to a course you have created. Now, for existing Schoology people who have already gained access codes to one course, can also join another course from you by giving them an access code. So they don't have to join any other, they don't have to create a new account. They simply click courses, click join, and right here we have access code, and the access code will be what you are giving to them. They fill that in, click join, and voila, they are now part of your course. And over here, you can view updates from specifically the math section. So I already made some examples of it. So I posted an update saying hello to the math section. Now students will have the ability to comment or like the post, which I have done here. So this is what the students will be doing. For them to create a comment, they should click comment and like, type whatever they post. Sorry. You can also just directly create posts here rather than go on the home page, type in a post, and then direct it to math. You can go on, instead of that, you can go onto the math course tab, type in and post, add files, links, exactly the same thing from the home page. Now next, let's head to our profile page, which students will be able to view. So, to change your profile picture, you hover over the profile picture here, and a bubble will pop up as soon as you go on. See, pop, pop, pop. So you click on edit picture, and you have options to, you have like 8 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 8 options to, 8 standard avatars to choose from. If you'd like to attach a file from your computer and have downloaded or uploaded from wherever, simply click attach files, search for that files, and you'll be able to find it. And it will show up as your profile picture, and your students will be able to see that. You can post updates also from your profile page. So you can post updates from your profile page, a specific course, or the home page. To edit, simply click edit here, and it's your about me page, which is basically like a mini biography of you. So you can fill in your subjects taught. So let's say math, grades taught, 9, 10, and position, whatever, type learner type. I'm a visual learner. So save changes, and it will show you that your profile has been updated. So yeah, head back to the home page. Once you have filled that in, you will be able to see it by clicking the info tab and see, yeah, I just filled this stuff in. So, so it shows the subjects I taught, which is math, grades taught 9, 10. Of course, I didn't really do this. And students will also be able to do your contact information, such as your email. And they will be able to email you, if anything. Yeah. On the right tab here, you can see how many posts you have, how much content you have, and how many students you have. Easy to keep track of and easy to view at all times. You can also view all the courses you have set up. I have set up an English course, a math course, and a science course. So back to the home page. So that's pretty much Schoology itself. That's all the important aspects you need to know for Schoology. These are things you'll be using, or like mostly using from Schoology. And remember, if you need any other help, you can go onto the top right-hand corner of this black bar, click onto the downward-facing arrow, and go onto the Help Center. The Help Center will allow you to search any problems you have or questions you have and search them. And yeah, that's all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. This is How to App, so check out any other video tutorials, whether specific video tutorials that my fellow classmates have done, and go learn more about technology, because integrating technology into school is becoming more and more important as we are advancing to the future. And the future, as you probably guess, is filled with a bunch of technology. So might as well get used to it now and learn about it now. So it's much easier for you and your students to create a more better learning environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to log out when you are finished with Schoology.